everyone, with another layout. My background is Basil cardstock, as well as the cardstock I'm using for my photo mat. And this is pictures of us when we went to Miami Beach. We were walking near the beach and just around the area, and of course, Miami, you're going to find all those glamorous cars. And Mateo took a photo opportunity with a Lamborghini, one of his favorite cars, in the area of house mansion. I'm going to use that flamingo layer again, left over from the past two layouts. That's Dear Lizzie, It's All Good, Let's Fly. And I'm going to use this yellow layer, which is from Bella Boulevard, Home Sweet Home, called Mosaic. So I'm just going to get my picture down with the cards. I'm going to ink the edge of the cards. To move everything over a little bit because I messed up on the cutting. So I have to fix it a little bit. I'm just trying to figure out how far in I want it. I do use that circle pattern for, I cut a huge circle out of that pink stripe paper, and I do use that on another layout. Probably, yep, it's the next layout that I have ready. Okay, so these die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Hello Summer. So I'm going to try to use as much of the fruits and beach themed die cuts as I can. Because that is pretty much all I use for this layout. Are just the Hello Summer die cuts. I made sure all windows were closed. It's like 40. What did it get? It was supposed to get down to 48. What did it get down to? 50. I was gonna leave. I usually, when it's just me, I leave the windows open, but I've been having such horrible chills, so all windows are shut. I might make me and Mateo some hot cocoa in the morning. My whole body aches. Alright, so I'm just putting down my die cuts, and then I'm gonna go and pick out my lettering for my title. Trying to figure out what else I can use to kind of finish this up. I like to use phrase stickers to kind of help finish off embellishment clusters. I really wanted to use that camera, but it's not going to work. I don't think I end up using it. I really wanted to use that circle embellishment, oval embellishment as well. I'm bringing in some of these hearts because we love Lamborghinis. I didn't have any more hearts, so I had to compensate with the starfish. And then here's where I'm going to work on my title, which ends up being American Crafts Main Squeeze Stickers is what I use for my title. And it's just titled Lamborghini. Nothing fancy. And once I get my title down, that is going to complete the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those, and I just